The city of Lockport is getting ready for its first gun buyback program this weekend. But the police chief is concerned that gun owners will cut corners to sell their weapons. News 4's Nalina Shapiro is working on this story, all new at 5:30. Nalina?
Jackie, Chief Larry Eggert will have extra security working this Saturday to protect innocent people who could be taken advantage of while dropping off their unwanted guns.
The city of Lockport wants to get guns like these off the streets.
If it works and we can destroy it, it's a plus for the community.
For the first time ever, the city will be holding a gun buyback program this Saturday from noon until 5 at the Main Street side of the municipal building.
You know, the gangbangers, I'm sure we're not going to see them. They're not going to turn in a gun for $100, I guess, unless it doesn't work.
You can turn in a non-working gun for $10, a rifle or shotgun for $50, a pistol for $75, or an assault-style weapon for $100, no questions asked.
We're also taking old ammunition, if you want to bring that in, and we're also giving out gun locks. I don't know what the turnout is going to be, quite frankly.
Gun buybacks aren't uncommon, but Lockport's will be a little different.
It's going to be a learning experience for all of us.
It's happening at a time when the gun debate continues to heat up, and after Governor Andrew Cuomo passed the strictest gun laws in the nation. Chief Larry Eggert has some concerns. Chief Eggert says there will be extra security in this parking lot on Saturday for safety and also to prevent illegal gun purchases. The new state laws require background checks for private gun purchases. The chief says he's gotten emails warning him that people might try to buy guns from people before they turn them in.
But what we want to prevent is people that see the value of the guns and will try to take advantage of the people bringing the guns in. A 90-year-old woman isn't going to know the value of a gun. So here's $10. Oh, okay, here's the gun. So we're trying to prevent that.
And keep guns out of the wrong hands.
The city of Lockport wants people to drop off their unwanted prescriptions on Saturday as well. There is a huge blue-looking mailbox, as you see there, in the back of the police station where you can make the drop. Now, on a side note, Chief Eggert does have a special connection to this gun buyback. 10 years ago, he was shot by a criminal with this assault-style weapon. That story did make national news, and he's hoping that this Saturday, guns like this one will be taken off the street, and that will lead to fewer crimes being committed. Reporting live, Nalina Shapiro, News 4 at 5:30.